And look, I'm very excited about what the future holds. I'll point out, you were saying that XRP is up 70+%. Since election day, the best performing crypto assets are all US companies or US technologies. This shouldn't be a surprise. The United States SEC has been manipulating and putting pressure on these US companies, US technologies, and now that pressure comes off and they explode upwards. So we shouldn't be surprised by that.
So that is since when that it's all US? That
really since election day.
Okay, since election day, then that really makes sense.
It does. And if you can even put a number on this, like what has Gary Gensler's war on crypto, you can put an amount on it. We went from 2.2 trillion to basically 3 trillion. So this was an $800 billion unlock just because we now are going to have rational actors who act lawfully. You know, as you know well, the states have now even participated in suing the SEC and saying you are not acting lawfully and enforcing the laws.
I got to ask you, the price of XRP earlier this week spasmed. It jumped about 10% after you liked a tweet earlier that suggested you may have met with President-elect Donald Trump. Any truth to those rumors?
I mean, I think like many of your guests today, I'm not going to comment on too many specifics here. Suffice it to say.
Okay, that's a yes. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But I respect that. But to me, it's a yes.
We have been active throughout this election cycle in being very pro-crypto, pro-innovation. And how do we make sure that this Congress and the president obviously it's a totally new day. And I could not be happier about like a Congress that I think is, as Norm said earlier, your guest, we got to get away from regulation through enforcement. That makes no sense.
What about this yesterday, this lawsuit filed by 18 attorneys generals, I believe all from Republican states, suing the SEC, saying that they are allegedly overreaching when it comes to crypto regulation? Did you know that was coming at all?
We did not. And I say to all 18 of those attorney generals, welcome to the party.
What's going on, bull runners? Welcome back to the channel. Imagine a world where your crypto investments not only grow, but soar beyond your wildest dream. But what if I told you that within the last few hours, the very foundations of this digital financial revolution were rocked by news that could either make or break your portfolio? That's right, we're diving into the heart of the crypto storm, uncovering secrets that could define your financial future. Today, we're witnessing the activation of a pivotal amendment on the XRP Ledger, and that's cloaked in mystery, yet promises to redefine the landscape of digital transaction. Ripple has also taken a bold step, rebranding and focusing towards stablecoins and cross-border payments, aiming to solve the age-old problem of slow, costly international transfers. But here's the twist. A token endorsed by none other than Argentina's President Javier Milei has just crashed, revealing a $107 million rug pull by insiders. What does this mean for your investments? And how can you navigate through these turbulent waters? We've got the answers that you need. The clock is ticking. Decisions made today could either secure your financial ascent or lead to an unexpected plunge. With XRP Ledger's new amendment, Ripple's strategic pivot, and shocking collapse of the Libra token, the crypto market is at a crossroad. You need to act fast, understand these changes, and position yourself wisely. Don't let this moment slip. Your next move could be the defining one. And make sure you stay with us till the end of this video, where we're going to give you an exclusive sneak peek at our crypto community platform, Altcoin Pro. This isn't just another platform. It's your gateway to insights, expert analysis, and a community that thrives on growth and success. So if you're like most people, you don't have the opportunity to spend hours a day in the financial news like we do here on this channel, and we bring that to you in a condensed manner, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And if you're feeling bullish about this current bull run, let me know by commenting 777 down below. We will also be jumping over to X to get the live breaking news, what's happening in the crypto market right now. We'll take a look at XRP in the charts at our key support and resistance levels. We'll dive into deeper details on major XRP Ledger amendment. We'll go over Ripple's rebranding with a focus on cross-border payments and stablecoins. And in some of the craziest news in the crypto world right now, Javier Milei endorsed Libra token, which crashed after a $107 million insider rug pull. But first, let's take a look at the overall health of the crypto market over on CoinMarketCap. The total crypto market cap as of today is at $3.2 trillion. Only $59 billion worth of volume in the last 24 hours. Very, very low. Fear and greed index sitting at 38. Altcoin season index sitting at 36. Top 5 trending coins on CoinMarketCap. Ultima at $22,000. GLM at 38 cents. Solana at number 3 at $189. BNB at number 4 at $672. And ID token at 34 cents. Top 5 coins by market cap right now. Bitcoin at number 1 at 96,000. Ethereum number 2. XRP regaining that number 3 spot as we talked about. Tether sitting at number 4. Very close as far as market caps going right now. BNB coming at number 5 and Solana at number 6. And as we can see, these are only $3 billion off of each other. So they've been flipping and flopping. Breaking news over on X today. We got Elon Musk. SpaceX now owns $800 million worth of Bitcoin. I know Tesla owns Bitcoin. I didn't have any idea that SpaceX owned it. This is a great revelation here. As we saw in the intro, Trump has unlocked the crypto world due to the lawsuit against Ripple and the war on crypto. US has managed to unlock $800 billion since the change in admin, and that is obviously significantly increased. And just now, Global Bank of USA approves XRP for payment use in their institutions. Also, Breaking American Express integrates XRP with all payment transactions globally. And as we talked about in the beginning, as far as the market caps for XRP, just the other day when XRP was at 5 cents higher, $2.81, and the market cap was at 280 billion, XRP was only 16% away from flipping ETH. So the reality of XRP overtaking Ethereum, it is going to become a reality in my opinion. And as you know, I've been talking very heavy and bullish on Ethereum because we have these major institutions starting to accumulate Ethereum as well. So keep your eye on that. Another company disclosing holdings of Bitcoin, Millennium Management, discloses $2.6 billion in Bitcoin ETF holdings and $182 million in Ethereum holdings. Also breaking $1.6 trillion, Barclays Bank bought $131 million worth of Bitcoin. Banks are FOMOing in hard. I know it's hard to see this being a reality because the price isn't going up. But remember, when these major institutions are currently buying, they are still buying money OTC, over-the-counter trading. They're not buying it from Coinbase and crypto.com like most of us. So these are behind-the-scenes trades, so it doesn't really affect that market movement. But once those coins are all dried up, then we'll see a huge surge in price to the upside for Bitcoin. Japan's largest bank, SBI, Shinsei Bank, has officially started using Ripple's DLT for international remittances. As of January 31st, get ready for billions of dollars in liquidity are set to flow into XRP. And as we see here highlighted, since then, we have been actively incorporating the latest financial technologies, such as Ripple's distributed ledger technology in the US to develop secure, inexpensive, and fast overseas remittances. And another big purchase of XRP, Japanese energy firm Remix Point has purchased $2.63 million worth of XRP. And this is a really great statistic. I thought this was closer to 14%. I saw a couple of things come out about this, but Watcher Guru, they're usually on top of it. So less than 7% of the global population is invested into crypto. And as you know, 24/7 trading, 24/7 transfers are coming. U.S. Senator asked Powell, why can't I wire somebody money at 6 p.m. Eastern time? Chair Powell said, we do kind of lag on a lot of other countries, and it's time for that to happen. And guess who can allow that to happen? Very easy, XRP.
Shifting gears to a little bit, something that matters to me and entrepreneurs all over the country is why can't I wire somebody money at 6 p.m. Eastern time? Can we get to a 24/7 scenario where wires are cleared every day, all day? I think that would be very helpful to businesses all over the country.
So that's coming. It's just coming slowly here. We have that at FedNow. We'll get in touch with you about FedNow. We provide that service between two banks, and others want to provide it too. But yes, we do kind of lag a lot of other countries in that, and it is time for that to happen.
And in an interesting disclosure, if you've been on Twitter for any period of time and followed crypto, you know of Plan B. He's the one that has the stock to flow model. If you guys watch Nick's videos, he's always showing the stock to flow model. This was a really big deal here, though. He was a Bitcoin maxi, is still a Bitcoin maxi. However, he has changed his strategy. He said, I transferred my Bitcoin to ETFs. Yes, I know, not your keys, not your coins, but it is just easier for me to manage Bitcoin the same way as equities and bonds. Also, not having the hassle with keys gives me peace of mind. I guess I'm not a maxi anymore. So big deal. Lots of people starting to feel more comfortable sending their money over into financial institutions to do the custodial work of holding on their coins. And this was a big, big move here. Also breaking, Abu Dhabi's sovereign wealth fund bought $436 million worth of Bitcoin ETFs in Q1. Also, just in, Trump media authorizes investing in crypto assets, guys. Jumping over to our main headline, Ripple rebrands with a focus on cross-border payments and stablecoins. They've just gone through this major rebrand focusing on what they call the Internet of Value. Ripple has updated its products, its website, and social media to reflect this new direction. They're now emphasizing cross-border payments and stablecoins, moving away from their previous focus on central bank digital currencies. This rebrand signifies Ripple's commitment to transforming how value moves around the world, aiming for a system that is as seamless as sending information over the internet, as they call it, sending an email, making it that simple. The update includes streamlined services for international transactions, digital asset custody, and stablecoins. They've also partnered with Unicambrio, of Portuguese exchange provider, to boost their payment infrastructure. This strategic shift comes as Ripple navigates the changing regulatory landscape in the US, hinting at a broader strategy to be innovative in the global finance space. And when it comes to Ripple and its stablecoins, which was marked by the launch of RLUSD, this asset introduced in December has reached a market cap of $108 million. Ripple also put a tweet out over on X, or an X out, a post out over on X.com. And this is their post that they made. It's a video going over their new look, their new design, the new feel. It does have music on it, so I can't play it, unfortunately. It'll be copyright. But just wanted to kind of show you what they're going for as far as branding, what the look and feel of their website is going to be looking different. If you haven't gone over to their actual website, go take a look at that as well. But you can see they're looking into this custody. They're looking into the stable coin. They've gone away from the CBDC issue. Hey, bull runners, are you feeling FOMO about this bull run without the right financial support? We're here to change that. We're not just about funding. We're about growing your business together. Whether you're investing in crypto, kicking off a new startup, managing your existing business, or looking to expand, we have personalized funding that meets your exact needs. Imagine starting your business or getting capital to invest $100,000 to $250,000 at 0% interest. That's not a dream. It's what we do. We've helped countless entrepreneurs like you with 0% interest funding without needing personal funds, income verification, or collateral. With just a 680 credit score, you qualify. We understand that your business can't wait, so take advantage of our quick funding approach. We look beyond the credit score with inclusive approval process that sees the big picture of your business or investment potential. Our flexible repayments are tailored to match your business cycles, ensuring you can manage repayments without strain. With access to our extensive lending network of over 5,000 options, we're committed to finding the perfect match for your business or investing needs. Plus, you'll have our dedicated team by your side, guiding you through every step of the funding journey. Whether it's buying crypto, hiring new employees, or launching a new product, we're committed to your success. Click the link to connect with our expert advisors and secure your business's future now. On top of the major rebrand, they also just recently had an amendment, and it was approved and activated on the mainnet. And that is the NFT token mint offer amendment. It's all about making life easier for NFT creators. The new amendment, called NFT token mint offer, lets you mint your NFTs and set up an offer to sell them in one single transaction. So that's right, no more juggling between different transactions for minting and selling. It passed with flying colors, generating 31 yays out of 35 validators. That's an 88.57% rate. This amendment is a game changer, reducing both steps and the fees involved. It now includes optional fields like amount, destination, and expiration, giving you more control right from the start. This is just one of several updates, and this is an upgrade following the likes of Fix NFT Token Reserve and Fix AMMO Overflow offer, showing that XRPL is about continuous improvement innovation. So very exciting things happening on XRPL as a whole, not just Ripple, the company, but as you can see, XRP continues to try to grow and dominate the ecosystem. And in some of the wildest breaking news, we got trouble for a world leader. Insider Wallets started cashing out 3 hours after the tokens launched, erasing over $4 billion from its market cap. According to an on-chain intelligence firm, Look On Chain, at least 8 wallets linked to Libra teams siphoned liquidity from the token, pocketing $57 million in USDC and an additional 249,000 Solana, worth $49.7 million. So the Libra team has cashed out over $107 million. They have already found the 8 wallets that were linked to this whole and total scam or crime, whatever you want to call it. The Libra token went all the way up to $4.56 billion market cap on February 14th before falling 94% to only $257 million market cap. That was just 11 hours after the token launched. The token's rally began shortly after now deleted X post by President Milei, which shared a website and token contract address for Libra, which was a private project dedicated to encourage growth in Argentine economy. Here is the tweet that was removed with the actual contract address. The country, the lawyers representing Argentina are actually suing Javier Milei, and they've actually tried to already start an impeachment process to remove him. Milei tried to cover his tracks by deleting the post and then went on and created a new post where it was translated. A few hours ago, I posted a tweet, and as I have so many other times supporting a supposed private enterprise with which I obviously have no connection whatsoever, I was not aware of the details of the project, and after having become aware, I have decided not to continue spreading the word. That is why I deleted the tweet. To the filthy rats of the political caste who want to take advantage of this situation and do harm, I want to say that every day they confirm how vile politicians are, and they increase our conviction to kick them in the ass. Now, if you remember, he was trying to uproot corruption and greed and everything out of his. Basically, he did a Doge in Argentina. Other blockchain data firms have warned about the project's tokenomics before even the meltdown. Blockchain analysts from Bubble Maps had warned about Libra's flawed tokenomics, revealing that 82% of the supply was unlocked and sellable to start. On February 14th, a savvy crypto sniper made $28 million in profit after buying the latest broccoli meme coins inspired by Binance co-founder CZ. However, speculation has arisen that that trader may have been an insider wallet and also connected to the Libra token. So when it comes to meme coins, ladies and gentlemen, you have to be extremely careful, and they are not long-term holds. Like, there's no meme coins that are long-term holds. They are a profit-making gambling opportunity, in my personal opinion. All right, jumping over to the charts for XRP. As we've been talking about, so this is our daily chart here. You can't see it in the video feed, but we're on the daily chart. And we talked about this right here, and this is our short-term momentum wave. And as we can see, when it got to 0, it was ready to reload and run back up to 100. Now, the only problem is we are still in the red in our longer-term bullish scenario for the daily. So the daily came and dipped down, as you can see. It's approaching the 0 line, and once it breaks above the 0 line, like it did back here, so it broke the 0 line here, and that's when we had this nice pump to the upside for XRP. Right now, there is the potential of that happening over the next 2 to 3 days. Now, one thing that we need to be careful of, as we can see when it came down and it tested the 0 line and went back up, it's gone below the 0 line, so it's now going to get to the 0 line today or tomorrow. And if that acts as resistance, we could start to fall again. However, as we've been talking about, our spider lines here on the daily chart, price did run up for us nicely a couple of days ago, bounced off that $2.79, $2.80 line once, twice, and now 3 times. Today, if we stay green, the new candle has now officially launched. We will start to push to the upside. And there is a very good likelihood on the daily that we finally cross over to the bullish side of things. Again, this indicator is called the Wolf Pack. If you would like to use that, just search Wolf Pack on TradingView. My settings are fast length 10, slow length 30. So go ahead and plug that in. Use it however you want. Again, this is not financial advice. So the next level after we break above this $2.79 will be the return to our next resistance of the $3 level. As we can see, it held at this level for quite some time. And it wasn't exactly $3 back in the day because remember, these are trend lines that are drawn on the 3-day charts from significant period of time. This is the 2018 downturn. This line, which is the next resistance line that we would like to hit at the $3 mark, comes from February 2nd, 2018. We're currently bumping off of the resistance that came to us from January 31st, 2018, and that's the yellow dotted line. Let's go ahead and make it larger so you can see this a little bit easier. Now, when we go back to present day, we can see exactly what we're talking about. So right now, this line is the January 31st line from 2018, and that has acted as a resistance for us in the past, unfortunately. But then we broke through it with a pullback and then a run to the upside. Now we are testing it again. This will be the fourth day of test if this candle can breach that level there. We also have some really good signs here. The orange 10 exponential moving average is about to cross back over the 30 exponential moving average, getting us back into bullish posture on the daily charts. When we look here on the 12-hour chart, you can see we have broken over the zero line. It is flattening out, though. We need to see this thing push to the upside. Also, our short-term momentum wave has been riding up at the top, looking like it's ready to have a small reset. Now, what's really exciting is once we've crossed over into the green and this resets to zero, the move to 100 could be significant. As we can see, last time this happened, it crossed into the red. We reset to zero, the pump to the upside. Then it got to the top, which is where we're at now. It reset back to zero here. And then the move happened, and that's when we got up to our new all-time high. Now, the other thing we're looking at playing out is the actual bull flag pattern that dates back to the original push from November. The flagpole, this pattern has not fully played out yet. That flagpole pattern gets us to $4.75 on standard candles. Now, when we switch it to logarithmic and it gives us a significantly different angle, that push, the logarithmic bull flag, we connect it from the start to the top of that level there, and we extend it from the breakout, that gets us to a level all the way up to the $15.67. So $15.50. So we have a $4.75 shorter target, and then ultimately the target of $15.67. But the main thing I'm watching right now is our Wolfpack indicator crossing over the zero line on the daily charts and continuing the pump to the upside. And this is what we talked about a couple of days ago. There was a likelihood that we pop back up above this level, come back and retest off of the 10 exponential moving average. It's also now a support level right here. As you can see, this is a trend that's going to be a resistance. This is a trend that is a resistance. This was a trend that was a resistance, but now it has flipped back to a support level. See if it actually comes and tests that. $2.66. Does not have to. We can just start the push to the upside here. Claim this level as a support, $2.80. After we claim that, we get the $3 level, and then we start to push to the higher level, which is where we're watching for that bull flag to play out at $4.75. So with all that said, let's talk about Altcoin Pro. You got to check this out. It is going to be a game changer for your knowledge when it comes to crypto.
Hey, bull runners, check this out. If you want to learn how to find the next 10x, 50x, or even 100x altcoin in this video, listen to this. Our research team posted GOAT on the 13th of October of 2024 when it was right at a penny, and since then it rallied to over $1 and is currently still up over 5,000%. That's like turning $1,000 into over $50,000. Our team called Pendle at only a $16 million market cap, or 16 cents, back on February 18th of 2023, all the way back here, and since then it's rallied up over 4,000%. That's a 40x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $40,000. Our team also called BitTensor Tau September 15th, 2022, before the token was ever even launched. And since then, Tau has rallied over 2,000%. That's a 20x. Our team even said Solana is most likely to be one of the easiest trades next year, and this was posted December 29th, 2022, on the day that Solana bottomed out at around $8. And since then, Solana looks like it's up over 2,500%. That's a 25x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $25,000. And the bull run is just getting started. The list goes on and on and on. Our team called Sui, Ondo, and even some of the biggest cult-based meme coins like MOG back in July 20th of 2023, the day that MOG launched. So if you want to learn how our team is finding these altcoins before they explode, we just launched Altcoin Pro University, where our research team gives you real-time altcoin picks with explosive potential for this bull run, along with 100+ expert curated classes crafted by industry experts to discover these gems yourself, on top of our live weekly calls every single week for in-depth crypto market analysis and daily updates. And that's just a fraction of what we offer inside of Altcoin Pro University through the link below. And although we make no guarantees because crypto is definitely risky, guys, this is only $97 a month or $970 a year. If you want to save $194, getting 2 months for free and unlock some exclusive bonuses through the link below. But I'm not going to talk all about that in this video because we have a lot to cover. Just go through the link in the description below, get in right now, watch the 26-minute video covering everything that Altcoin Pro University offers because we have a lot to cover with you over the next few minutes in this video to help you become the first millionaire in your family tree. If that's a goal of yours, our goal is to help 1,000 members set their portfolio up for life this month. And you can get started through the link in the description below right now, or you can go to bullrunners.com to take advantage of the bonuses we're giving you before they expire. We have about 200 members right now, and we literally just launched like less than 5 days ago at the time of making this video. Everyone is loving the community. They're loving the education. They're getting access to real-time altcoin picks first before we ever make videos about them. So click the link in the description below, watch the video, and I'll see you on the inside.